Hi there, this is Dr. Friesen, and this video will teach you how to conduct a simple linear regression. A simple linear regression is where you have two variables, an independent and a dependent variable, and you want to see if the independent variable predicts the dependent variable. In this equation, your independent variable can be either continuous or nominal, and your dependent variable must be continuous. So in this case, I'd like to look at college club leadership, and I'd like to see if students that are involved in the club have greater levels of social integration. So in this case, I'll make my college club leadership my independent variable. It happens to be nominal. And my social integration is my dependent variable, and that's scale. And again, it has to be a scale variable, or also known as a continuous variable. Your independent variable can be scale or nominal. So to conduct this, go ahead and click Analyze, Regression, Linear. And I'd like to have my college club leadership be my independent variable. I want to see if that will predict students' social integration. So I'm making that my dependent variable. These buttons here, you do not need to change. Go ahead and press OK. So your output will produce several tables. The first table you can ignore. Go down to the model summary table. Right here is your R square. Your R square is the important number you will need to report. In this case, it's 11%, so it's 0.110. You would write that as R squared equals 11%. That means 11% of the variance in social integration is predicted by college club leadership. Now we're going to go down, and we will need to report our F statistic, which in this case is 37.03 if we round, and our p-value is less than 0.001. So this tells us we have a significant regression. And down here, we'll report our beta. You have your unstandardized beta and then your standardized beta. Go ahead and report your standardized beta, which in this case is 0.33. And you'll report this sig, which is p is less than 0.001. So this indicates that college club leadership does in fact predict social integration. Right here's the dependent variable. And it predicts it by 11% with a beta, standardized beta of 0.33.